Now they got the SquarePants guy going to the taco store.
That's a good one. You almost got me, but I'm not gonna laugh.
Today we'll be showing you a series of videos, and you know the drill. No smiling or laughing.
Damn it. You know I'm gonna lose.
I'm bad at these.
Let's see how bad I do this time.
You already have me smiling, so this is gonna be very difficult.
I'm a very happy person. I'm terrible at these.
Oh, cool. This time I'm gonna do it.
As always, these videos were chosen by fans who think they can make you laugh.
If I lose, it's all your fault.
I accept your challenge. I don't think I'll win, but I'm gonna try really, really, really hard.
I'm totally confident I can overcome your challenge.
We'll see, you guys. this is gonna be an impenetrable fortress. You just wait.
There you go, Asher. There you go, Asher. There you go, Asher.
Dang it. Did that goat just fart?
I've had similar reactions when people and goats fart.
There we go. Perfection. Damn, look, I look like Mona Lisa right now.
No, you don't.
Look, I look like Mona Lisa right now.
You are Mona Lisa. Beautiful.
I look like her, huh?
You do.
She's got intense confidence, so good on her.
Squidward Central?
Okay, that just makes no sense.
That's a good one. You almost got me, but I'm not gonna laugh. I'm not laughing. Squidward on a chair. I mean, come on, it was a good one. Squidward on a chair. Squidward on a chair.
I'm good so far. Wait a minute.
Squidward on a chair.
No.
Hello, my name's Gunwani.
Oh, I've seen this.
And we'll be attempting the longest Yeah Boy ever. Got my drink. Just in case.
Just in case. I laughed. Just in case what? You become so dehydrated from your Yeah Boy?
Just in case. All right.
Just warming up.
Yeah, boy!
You got it.
Dang.
He does this for like 50 seconds. He's got hella lung capacity. It's insane. Oh, did I just smile?
That's pretty impressive.
He can control his breath, that's for sure. Very talented.
He's got a really good technique going here.
Is he gonna pass out?
Don't stop now. You're in this deep. I'm impressed.
He's back. We're gonna deal with him again?
Oh my God.
Yeah, boy!
You can't throw in a little Thomas the Train. I was doing so good. I made it through the whole Yeah Boy.
Yeah, boy!
No.
Why did you do that to me?
I've had enough of this guy.
Yeah, boy!
Kinda catchy.
I want to. Because I like the song.
Now looks like he's in Chocolate Land or something.
Yeah Boy dance party.
Do you need your drink now? Are you okay?
It's actually cute.
It's okay. Egg?
They're taking the animals and translating their grunts and groans into English.
No.
Are you trying to speak?
Something about legs.
No. Sounds like me after too much drinking sometimes, but no.
You'll be a romantic couple?
Never let go.
Yes you will. You just did.
But didn't you just let go?
Got it now. Damn it! No!
Oh my god.
Get to Del Taco. They got a new thing called free shavakadoo.
What the heck?
It's SpongeBob.
Shavakadoo.
Now they got the SquarePants guy going to the taco store.
Free shavakadoo. Where are you?
You won.
I did?
You did.
I can smile and laugh now?
You can laugh.
Oh no.
Is there anybody laugh at any of those?
They were really good videos, actually. They were pretty funny.
I have a very similar sense of humor to all of our viewers out there, so thank you. Thank you for making me laugh another day.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
Subscribe for new shows every week.
Submit a video in the comments that you want featured on this show.
Bye.
Hey guys, I'm Zach, one of the producers of the React channel. I'm now going to try to attempt my longest goodbye ever. Goodbye!